Hi Brad, it's Ian here with Taylor & Son Chevrolet. Here's a quick video on the 2012 Chevrolet Captiva. This is an LTZ. This one is in white. It was a bit cleaner looking than the black one that I have right now. Has your dual exhaust right down there with the chrome on the lower end there, the chrome strip on the lift gate. This is your LTZ package. As we mentioned, LTZ has pretty much everything on it. Your remote start, heated seats, memory seats, chrome package. This has the reverse camera inside the vehicle. This is from the passenger side. There's your center console here with your auxiliary input right there. Climate control settings. Steering wheel mounted cruise control and audio settings. Vehicle is equipped with OnStar. Reverse camera would be displayed in the rearview mirror when you put the car in reverse. This is the V6, but it does have the Eco button as we discussed on the Equinox. There is some storage right down here in the middle, and you also have a USB port inside there, as well as a power point. The car is equipped with a moonroof. Here's the back seats. Those do fold down flat. Now this seat is stationary. It does not slide back and forth like the Equinox. That's the second row. This is a 5-seater. All the service has been done on the car when we brought it in, as far as brakes, lube, filter. It's in excellent condition. And you can see down there it has fog lights. There's your driver information center right there by your auto headlights. Here's your instrument cluster. We have 2 of these vehicles in stock right now. Actually, I believe we have 3. They range from 11,000 miles up to 26,000 miles. There's a little bit of a price difference in between them. And yeah, we hope to see you this weekend. It's Ian with Taylor & Son Chevrolet. Thanks for your time, Mr. Smith. We'll look forward to seeing you again and getting you in here to test drive these cars. So this center armrest. Now it does have the center console. Just about everything's going to have a center console unless you can get some bench seats up front. Once again, thank you for your time. Hope you enjoy the video, and we look forward to speaking with you. Bye, Brad.